The third budget by the Bhajanlal government, and it seems to be a budget that is moving ahead, eschewing freebies and SOPs and actually looking at sustainable development and growth. I have with me Diya Kumari ji for an exclusive interview. Diya ji, it's your third budget. It's very clear that you're moving towards sustainable growth, and you're also spending more on per person, per citizen of the state. So what do you have to say about this budget?
Yes, of course, the budget is, as you must have heard the budget and seen it, so we have really focused on strengthening and consolidating and also, spending money where actually it's going to benefit the common man, also benefit farmers, women and the youth, creating more jobs, putting more money with, the health sector, infrastructure, education, tourism. It's all about building a Rajasthan which will be self-sustainable. Also, you saw the green budget, which we put more money into that. Also in the Krishi budget, we've also allocated more funds there. Health has also been more than last time. So overall, per capita income has also increased.
But it's no freebies. I mean, you're very consistently staying away from freebies. That's quite clear, because SOPs, I think, are bad economics. They may be good politics, but they're bad economics.
No, but our government doesn't believe in that. You must have also saw the union budget. No one in the center also believes in giving SOPs. And I think people of India also have realized they want to, become self-reliant, be able to earn their own money, and not just be job takers, be job givers. Like our CM also, Honorable CM also keeps saying that. So our focus is to, anyhow make the women self-dependent, the youth able to give them job opportunities, like the States Testing Center, that's a new Ghoshna. That's also all about, these exams repeatedly. We've seen so many paper leaks. So this will make it all easy. The process will be easier. We are still in the process of, making everything, finalizing everything. The details are yet to come. But the Ghoshna was done today, and I think all these you must have also, there were lots of Ghoshnas which are all about, new schemes, new policies. So a lot of new names have also come up today in every sector. So it's all about, I think we need to really strengthen our everything in Rajasthan, because unfortunately the previous government totally mismanaged everything and only believed in giving SOPs. We have not done that. So I think that's what our focus is going to be.